Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators. The lessons we're going to cover today are compare sums and differences of unit fractions, add up to 4 fractions with denominators of 10 and 100, add and subtract fractions with denominator of 10, 100 and 1000, then add 3 or more fractions with unlike denominators. So let's just start with the lesson. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So here I am on compare sums and differences of unit fraction. Let's just start with, okay, this lesson is moved to the, okay, let's just start with the next one. Add up to 4 fractions with denominator of 10 and 100. So the first example is which of the following expressions equal 33 over 100, right? You are given 33 by 100. You are given 4 of the, we'll start with the test question, right? Because here you are not given with the options, so it is difficult to. Okay, let's start with this one. Which of the following expressions equals 63 by 100? Right? You need to find the one whose sum is 63 by 100. Just look at the first one. That is 3 over 10 and 6 over 10, right? They have the like denominator. Their denominator is exactly same, 10 and 10, right? They have like denominators. When you have like denominators, you simply add numerators. You do 6 plus 3, that is 9 over 10. That means this isn't the correct option, right? Option 2 is the correct option, that is over 10. First, you need to make their denominator. You always make the smaller denominator equal to greater one. So here is 10 and here is 100, right? We know that 10 times 10 is 100, so you need to multiply this fraction by 10. So 10 times 6 is 60. 60 divided by 10 times 10 is 100. And then here you have 3 over 100, right? And 60 plus 3 equals 63 divided by 100. So the correct option is 63 over 100. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? The correct option is option number 2. Okay, the next one is which of the following expression equals 89 by 100? So which is the correct option, option 1 or option 2? Basically, you are given two of the options. Now listen to me carefully, right? You are given two of the options. No, the second one is not the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option for this one. How? Just look at the second option. They have 8 over 10 and plus 9 over 10. They are the like denominators, right? When you have to add when you have like denominators, you simply add numerators. You have to do 8 plus 9, that is 17 over 10. So this isn't the correct option. Option 1 is the correct option. How? 8 over 10 and plus 9 over 100. Right? The correct option is option number 1, that is 8 over 10 plus 9 over 100. How? Whenever you add the fractions, you always have to make their denominators same. You cannot add two fractions until they have the same denominators, right? So they have different denominators, 10 and 100, right? You always make the smaller denominator equal to greater one. First you have to make their denominator same, then you have to add. So you always make smaller denominator equal to greater one. You have to make this 10 equal to, so we know that 10 times 10 is 100. So you have to multiply numerator and denominator both by 10. So that would be 10 times 8 is 80 and 10 times 10 is 100. Now you can see they have the like denominators. 100 is the like denominator. You simply have to add their numerator. 8 plus 9, 80 plus 9 is 89. That would be 89 over 100. So the correct option is 89 over 100. Got it? The correct option is option number 1. That is 8 over 10 plus 9 over 100. Option number 1 is the correct option. Basically, you don't know how to make the denominator same. You must learn the lessons we did in the last week. Okay, which of the following expression equals 33 by 100? Which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Which option is the correct one? Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Because for the second one, they have different denominators, but here you have 30. So option number 1 is the correct option. That is 3 by 10 and plus 3 by 100 is the correct option. Okay, which of the following expression equals 24 by 100? So which is the correct option, 1 or 2? Yes, option number 2 is the correct option. That is 2 by 10 plus 4 over 100 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which of the following expression equals 77 over 100? Which is the correct option, 1 or 2? Please write the answer. Create the mess. Yes, that is option number 1. 7 over 10 plus 7 over 100 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. 7 over 10 plus 7 over 100 is the correct option. Which of the following expression equals 44 by 100? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is option number 1. 4 over 10 plus 4 over 100 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which of the following expression equals 31 by 100? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is option number 2. 3 over 10 plus 1 over 100, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is add and subtract fractions with denominators of 10, 100 and 1000. So let's just start with the next one. Now you have the denominators until 1000, right? So let's just start with the next question. Okay, add 1 over 10 plus 22 over 100. So that equals the missing option over 100. So which is the correct option? Okay, let's just solve and see which is the correct option. They have unlike denominators, right? The first thing is you need to make their denominator same. So you always make the smaller denominator equal to 100. You need to make this denominator 10 is 100. You have to multiply this fraction by 10. Yes, that is 32. The missing number is 32, not 23. 10 times 1 is 10 and 10 times 10 is 100. So you have now they have the like denominators. You can add 10 plus 22 and obviously 10 plus 22 is 32 over 100. The correct option is option number 1, that is 32 over 100, right? The correct option is 32. Always keep this important thing in your mind. You have to make this equal to, so when you multiply this by 10, 10 times 1 is 10, you need to add 10 to 22, right? So the correct option is 32. 3 over 10 plus 65 over 100, which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That is 95 over 100, because when you multiply this 3 by 10, so 3 times 10 is 30, so 30 plus 65 is 95. The correct option is 95 over 100. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 95 over 100. Okay, the next one is 4 over 10 plus 11 over 100, which is the correct option. Very good. That is 51 divided by 100. The correct option is option number 1. 51 over 100 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 24 over 100 plus 6 over 10. So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 84 over 100, right? Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 84 over 100. 2 over 10 plus 45 over 100, which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 65 over 100. Option number 1 is the correct option. 34 over 100 plus 5 over 10, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 84 over 100. Option number 2 is the correct option. 7 over 10 plus 12 over 100, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 82 over 100. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add 3 or more fractions with unlike denominators. So let's just start with the next one, that is add on and or add 3 or more. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, so you have add, simplify your answer. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 3 over 8, right? So you have two of the fractions with like denominator, and the third one is the unlike denominator, right? Just first solve this, the portion that have the like denominators, right? 1 by 4, 1 by 4, they have like denominators. You simply have to add their numerators. So that would be 1 plus 1 is 2 over 4, right? Now you have to add these two. So you need to make their denominator same first. So 4 times, you have to make the smaller denominator equal to greater one. So 4 times what number is 8? 4 times 2 is 8. So you have to multiply this fraction by 2. So that is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 over 8 plus 3 over 8. So 8 is the denominator and 4 plus 3 is 7. So the correct option is 7 over 8. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 7 over 8. Right? The correct option is, that is 8 is the correct option. The next one is 1 over 10 plus 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5. So you have to do exactly the same thing. Add the ones that have the like denominator, right? So you have to add 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5, that is 3 over 5, right? Now add 1 by 10 and plus 3 by 5. First thing is you need to make the denominator same. 5 times 2 is 10, so multiply this by 2. That is 1 over 10 plus 3 times 2 is 6 over 10. So 6 plus 1 is 7, that is 7 over 10. The correct option is option number 1, that is 7 over 10. Right? Option number 1 is the correct option. 7 over 10 is the correct option. 2 by 9 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So which is the correct option? The correct option is you can now add and write the correct option over here. The correct option is hello. Can you hear me, everyone? Yes, I can hear myself. Yes, because everyone can hear me. So that is 2 over 9 and 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 times 3 is 9. So yes, that is okay. Let's just add. So 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 makes 2 by 3. So that is 2 by 9 plus 2 by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Need to multiply by 3. So 2 by 9 plus 3 times 2 is 6 by 9. So 6 plus 2 is 8 over 9. The correct option is 8 over 9 is the correct option, right? The correct option is 8 over 9. Okay, 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3 plus 4 over 9. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 8 over 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 7 over 12. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is 11 over 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 5 over 6. Option number 1 is the correct. 5 over 6 it is. The correct option is 5 over 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add three or more fractions with like and unlike denominators. Word problems, you can do the word problems on your own, right? The next one is find the missing new denominator or numerator in addition or subtraction sentences. So let's just start with the test questions. You have to find either the missing numerator or the missing denominator, right? Okay, fill in the missing number. So which number is missing? 2 by 3 minus, yes, 2 because they have the same denominators, right? So that means you simply subtracted the numerator. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So the miss 1. Here you have 1. The next one is 1 over 6 plus missing number equals 1 over 3. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 over 6. 6 is the missing number, right? Okay, the next one is 11 over 12 minus 7 over 12, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 over 3. The correct option is 3. Very good. 11 over 15 minus 1 over 15. So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 2 over 3. The correct option is 3. The missing number over 13 plus 4 over 13 equals 7 over 13. So, which number is missing? Yes, the correct option is, that is 3 over 13. The correct option is 3. Fill in the missing number. 8 divided by 9 minus 5 over 9 equals 1 over 3. So, which is the correct option? 8 over 9, it is 8 over 9 minus 5 over 9. The correct option is 8 over 9, not 6. Because 8 minus 5 is 3 and 3 over 9 equals 1 over 3. 13 over 18 minus 11 over 18 equals 1 over 9, it is, right? The correct option is 1 over 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is The next lesson is add and subtract mixed numbers with unlike denominators. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. First, we have to convert these mixed numbers into proper fractions. So 3 whole 1 by 9, and then you have to add exactly, you do the, you add fractions with unlike denominator, right? Let's just start this one. Just look at their whole number, add the whole number, right? 3 plus 9. The fractions is 1 by 9 and 2 by 9. 3 plus 9 is 2, right? First, make their denominator same. 1 over 9, you have to multiply this fraction by 3 because 3 times 3 is 9, right? You have to make them same. That is 1 over 9 plus 3 times 2 is 6 over 9. So 6 plus 1 is 7 over 9. That is 12 whole 7 over 9. The correct option is 12 whole 7 over 9. Got it? This is an easier way to add. The correct option is 12 whole 7 over 9. Okay, the next one is 4 whole 1 by 2 minus 3 whole 1 over 2. Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 1 whole 1 over 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. 7 whole 7 over 10 minus 2 whole 1 over 2. Which is the correct option? That is 5 whole 1 over 5. 5 whole 2 over 3 minus 3 whole 1 over 6. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 whole 1 over 2 whole 1 over 2. 12 whole 4 over 5 minus 3 whole 3 over 10, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 9 whole 1 over 12 is the correct option. 10 whole 1 over 2 plus 5 whole 1 over 4, which is the correct option. That is 15 whole 3 over 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. 16 whole 1 over 2 minus 10 whole 1 over 8, which is the correct option. That is 6 whole 3 over 8. Okay. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we were working on is add and subtract. Add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators, right? So, please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions, and the lessons we have covered today are sorry. The lessons we have covered today are no from here. Add up to 4 fractions with denominators of 10 and 100. Add and subtract fractions with denominators of 10, 100 and 1000. Add 3 or more fractions with unlike denominators. Word problems you have to do on your own. Fill in the missing numerator or denominator in addition and subtraction sentence. Add and subtract mixed numbers with unlike denominators, right? And the next one with word problems you have to do on your own, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any questions related to the lesson we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any.